Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. One of the best restored Trans Ams I've ever seen. And we have a photo album of the whole restoration process and another album with every receipt down to every little last thing they had done to this car. It's a 1977 Pontiac Trans Am. You can go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find all the specs, pricing, photos top to bottom of this car and a few hundred others that are all for sale. We have a whole staff of people working here. You can contact us through our website. There's our phone number, email, and they are more than willing to help you get your dream car. If you have questions, you want to see more, you want financing, you want to talk about shipping, they can help you. So visit volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just click on the button, and that way you can see our videos as they come out. Let's take this one for a spin. 1977 Pontiac Trans Am. I just love this color combination, the white with the red and gray decals and bird and the red interior. It just pops. I love this color combination. The restoration is probably better than it was new. Has a deluxe interior and it's just immaculate. I mean, every little bezel and door panel and headliner and plastic and seat belts and everything's pristine. As I mentioned, it has receipts. It has all the Pontiac historical documentation. But look, there's receipts for everything, all meticulously organized in the binder. The interior is so comfortable too. Them seats, the way they're contoured, I fit right in them real nicely. Trunk compartment looks brand new, has the collapsible spare, has the air bottle, has the jack mounted up under there, has the mat, and it also has an aftermarket carpeted mat with the Trans Am logo embroidered onto it. Tilt wheel, formula wheel, of course it has all the rally gauges, AM, FM with the 8-track, all factory stuff, embroidered floor mats. It has brand new tires on it. Numbers matching, 400, factory air. It's all correct down to the hose clamps, all the proper duct work off the shaker hood, power steering, power brakes. Just restored like new. The dash has been all repainted, new windshield. Said the other photo album has all the pictures of the restoration. That's where you can really start to appreciate. This was on a rotisserie, body off the frame, on a rotisserie, and completely, it was down to a bare shell. When it's on a rotisserie, they can get down low without having to bend, so they just do a better job when it's right up there at eye level. New weather strips all around. I'm going to start it up for you. The underneath is amazing. So look at the pictures on our website. The underside has the red oxide primer on the floors, and it is so meticulously detailed. It's crazy. Interior lights work. Just fantastic, comfortable. These have the American big block muscle car sound, but yet it has the sports car type handling. That's why these cars are so popular. New window seals. I mean, everything is mint on this car. The shaker hood is not cut up. It's left just the way it should be. Has the splitter exhaust tips sticking out the back there. So if you want one of the best Trans Ams in the world, and you want to pay about half of what it would cost you to restore one, and this one's done, ready to go, then you need to visit volocars.com. Let us know how we can help you. Any questions? And subscribe to our YouTube channel. A lot more cool videos to come. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.